me to share with you the results of our most recent investor sentiment survey to know what the retail investors are feeling at this moment. So I'd like to thank those who participated, and we will send you the results straight to your email. So let's have the results of our survey. We asked first, do you expect the Philippine inflation to continue to rise until the end of 2022? And 73% of you said that they expect inflation to continue until the end of 2022. Next, we asked you the second question on what is the greatest risk for the market over the next 6 months? And a lot of you, most are concerned about high inflation and global recession, 43% of you. And then 42% is looking at concerns on recession in the US and its effects on other markets. On the third question, we asked, at what level do you think that the PSEi will be at in the next 6 months? And sentiment has shifted from bullish to neutral. We asked you about 6 months ago the same question, and about 65% of you were bullish, and now about 33% na lang. And more now are neutral, about 44%. And about 23% now is bearish. So basically, I think if you look at this chart, you will see that the sentiment of investors now is more on the neutral, like market might be just going sideways. We also asked, the next question is, what is your current equity positioning? And at least 65% or 62% are still heavily invested as of now. But slowly, a little bit of you have increased cash position as well. So majority remains heavily invested. What else? What else did we ask? Next, in the next 3 to 6 months, are you more likely to increase or decrease exposure in stocks? And 71% of you said that they will increase their stock exposure in the next 3 to 6 months, which is so good. Next, I think this is our last question when we ask you, in the next 6 months, what other investment instruments will you consider aside from local stocks? And investors now prefer to invest in locally managed funds across different asset types and also government and corporate bonds in order to diversify and manage your risk. I think this is a good sign as well. So it looks like the sentiment of investors is now more neutral given concerns on inflation and global slowdown, but most of you will still be increasing your investments in the next 3 to 6 months and would prefer, other than stocks, local and global funds across different asset types because of their prospective returns, as well as means to diversify your investments and manage your risks.